Imagine being completely alone, hundreds of kilometers above Earth, and suddenly hearing knocking from outside your spacecraft. 2003, International Space Station. A Russian cosmonaut floated alone through the darkness of space. No air, no sound, only silence, swallowing everything. Then it started. Metallic tapping coming from outside the station. He froze. No astronauts were outside. Nothing should make sound in the vacuum of space. NASA called it thermal expansion, but the cosmonaut later admitted one thing. For a moment, it felt like space was looking back at me.